In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Pay in Stripe. To get started, sign in to your Stripe account. Make sure you're using the correct account for the business or website where you want to accept payments, since Stripe settings can vary between accounts. Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard so you can access your account configuration. Next, click the settings icon. This is where Stripe keeps the core options for payments, checkout behavior, and account level features. After opening settings, look for the payment methods section and open it. This area shows the payment options that are currently active, along with other methods that are available for your account. In the list of available payment methods, find Apple Pay. Stripe may group payment methods by category or show them in a searchable list, so take a moment to locate it if it's not immediately visible. Once you find Apple Pay, click Enable. This tells Stripe that you want to offer Apple Pay as a payment option for eligible customers during checkout. At this point, Stripe may ask you to add and verify your website domain. This is an important part of the setup because Apple Pay needs to confirm that your website is authorized to use the payment method. Enter your site domain carefully, making sure it matches the live site where customers will actually complete their purchases. After that, complete the domain verification process. Depending on your setup, Stripe will guide you through the verification steps. Follow the prompts closely and make sure the domain is fully verified before moving on. If verification doesn't go through right away, double-check that the domain was entered correctly and that you're working with the right site. Once verification is complete, save your changes. This ensures your Apple Pay settings are applied to your account and ready to be used in checkout. Now it's time to test everything. Open your checkout page using an Apple device and the Safari browser. Since Apple Pay only appears in supported environments, go through the checkout flow as a customer would and check whether Apple Pay is shown as a payment option. Finally, confirm that Apple Pay appears correctly at checkout. If it does, your setup is complete and customers using compatible Apple devices will be able to pay more quickly and conveniently. Thanks for watching.